If you want to learn how to play GOG games on your PC the easy way, then this video is for you. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the official desktop app that manages your library, cloud saves, and auto-updates so you can install and launch your games without any confusion. This is a super simple process, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to get your GOG games downloaded and playing in just a few clicks. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is download and install GOG Galaxy. GOG Galaxy is the official desktop app from GOG, and is designed to keep all your games organized in one place. It also helps manage cloud saves and automatic updates, which makes it the easiest way to handle your GOG library. Once the app is installed, open it on your computer. Now you'll need to log into your GOG account. If you already have an account, just enter your email and password and sign in. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to create your GOG account first before you can continue. After you're logged in, you'll see your game library inside GOG Galaxy. From here, go to your Owned Games tab. This is where every game you own on GOG will appear. You can scroll through your library or use the search bar if you already know the title you want to play. Once you find the game you want, click on it to open the game page. On that page, you'll see an install button. Click Install, and GOG Galaxy will begin downloading the game to your computer. Depending on the size of the game and your internet speed, this may take a few minutes or longer, so just let the download complete fully before moving on. While the game is downloading, you can usually watch the progress right inside the app. After the download finishes, the button will change and you'll be ready to launch. Now comes the easiest part. Click play once the download completes and the game will start running on your PC. If the game has any first-time setup or extra files, GOG Galaxy may handle those automatically in the background. From there, you can just enjoy the game and start playing. And that's it. That's how to play GOG games using GOG Galaxy. It's fast, convenient, and the best method if you want your library, cloud saves, and updates all managed in one place. If this tutorial helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe for more helpful gaming tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.